First thing we're going to do is we're going to open a coloring book page in Photoshop. So let me just choose Lego Superman and Batman. That's where I'm going. First thing you're going to want to do is choose the, right over here, Magic Wand tool. Now, the Magic Wand, when I click that, you'll notice that it's making a selection anywhere that it meets the color that we are clicking on until it meets another color. So it will stay inside these white areas, and anywhere that it can get out of the white area beyond the black, it'll keep going until it cannot go any further. So let's just say that I'm looking at this area back here, and I'm going to call this sky, and I'm going to go down to my foreground color, click on that, and I'm going to choose a color over here that I think represents the blue sky. So I'll just go something over here, and then I'll click OK, and then simply press Option Delete to fill it with that blue color. Another way to fill with color is this. Let's say that I want to do this part of the S in red. Well, another way I could do this, I could click the foreground color, and then I could say fill color, and then go choose that color and fill that in there like this. So if I selected this area right here, I can hold Shift and select another area to be also in my selection, so that when I, that was not good. If I select too far, just do undo, and it goes back to my last selection. I could zoom in so that I can see a little bit closer, then hold Shift again and select that area there. Okay, now this little area needs to be added. I think that's pretty good. So I'm going to go here, go fill color. And then click OK. Boom. Command D will deselect. Okay, let's go with his face. Ooh, I'm going to give that what I'm going to think is a Batman kind of flesh tone. Let's get something here. Could go like that. Okay, fill that in. There's his face. Go in here. I can do his lips. You guys get the idea. You just kind of go in and predetermine what area you want. Make a selection. Fill it with color. Okay, so you get it? So once you're all done, you just save that as a JPEG and turn that in. Okay? Put your last name, your first name, and coloring as the name of the assignment. And that'd be cool. All right? Good luck. Have fun.